Students, today we are going to learn on problems on volumes. In the last class, in the previous class, we discussed about the formulas and one or two problems. Okay, we have total 4 formulas. Region is revolution about x-axis, region is revolution about y-axis. Next, the region is area between two curves revolving about x-axis, revolving about y-axis. Now we continue the problems on the volumes. So today's first problem, find the volume of the solid formed by revolving the area enclosed by the curve y equal to x cube, the y-axis and the lines y equal to 8, y equal to 0 about y-axis. Means here the given region. What is the given region? Given region is y equal to x cube, y equal to x, y axis, y equal to 0, y equal to 8. This region, this area is revolution about y axis. Revolution about y axis. We have to concentrate on revolution which part? Which it is going through revolution about y axis, and the region is boundary with y axis. So the formula is integration pi equal to second formula v equal to integration c to d pi x square dy, pi x square dy, and then this it is given y equal to x cube. So we have to write x value. So y equal to x cube implies x equal to y to the power of 1 by 3. This degree will comes to this side, means y to the power of 1 by 3. So substitute and limits. Here y limits are 0 to 8. So c to d integration c to 0 to 8 pi into y to the power of 1 by 3 whole square x equal to y to the power of 1 by 3. Therefore 1 by 3 whole square into dy. Pi is the coefficient outside. Y to the power of 1 by 3 whole square means y to the power of 2 by 3 dy. So integration, we have to integrate it. Y to the power of 2 by 3 integration is y to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 by 3 plus 1. Pi is the coefficient outside 0 to 8. 2 by 3 plus 1 means it is 5 by 3. Y to the power of 5 by 3 by 5 by 3. This 5 by 3 is the coefficient outside. Constant outside, it becomes 3 by 5. So pi into 3 by 5, y to the power of 5 by 3, 0 to 8. So upper limit minus lower limit, this is 3 pi by 5 as it is, y to the power of 5 by 3 minus 0 to the power of 5 by 3. 3 pi by 5 as it is, y to the power of 5 by 3. 8 means 2 cube. 2 cube whole to the power of 5 by 3, 0 to the power of 5 by 3 means 0. And this cube cancel, 5 by 3. 3 into 5 by 3, 3 cancel, 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 means 32. That is 3 pi by 5 into 32. That is 32 into 2 means 96 pi by 5 into pi. It is volume, therefore cubic units. Okay, it is the answer. It is here given revolution about y-axis. Therefore, the formula is second formula. It will come. We have to write x in terms of y and y limits. Okay. Next problem. It is very important problem. It is homework problem. Okay. First I don't know homework. Next one is the very important problem. Find the volume of the solid generated by. Find the volume of the solid generated by the rotation of the area bounded by the curve y equal to a cos x, x-axis, x equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2 about x-axis. Means again revolution about x-axis means integration a to b. What is the formula? Pi y square dx. Revolution about x square. This is the formula. You have to write y value and a value 0, b value pi by 2. You have to find it. Okay, answer will be pi square a square by 4 cubic units. Next problem. Often it is important problem, very important problem. Okay. Obtain the volume of the sphere of radius r small r using method of integration. Volume of the sphere, we know the direct formula 4 by 3 pi r cube, but we have to prove it is by using method of integration. Or this question can be asked by another way. Find the volume of a solid formed by revolution of area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equal to r square about x axis. In either way it will be the same question. Okay. Here the directly given volume of the sphere, if the circle is revolves, this circle is revolving about x-axis, this area is revolving about x-axis, చుట్టూ తిరిగితే ఏమవుతుంది, revolves about, we get sphere, we have to find that value. Okay, sorry, okay. If circle is revolving about x-axis, then we get the sphere. So first of all, in this proof, let the sphere be generated. Ela generate aitundi? Generated by the revolution of the semicircle about its diameter. Means suppose this is the semicircle. If it is diameter, this is the diameter. If this diameter is revolves, this semicircle is revolving about its diameter, then it will come a sphere also. Okay. Then what is the equation? Let us see. Let the circle, suppose let the circle with center 0, 0 and radius r. Suppose it is a circle, total circle, semicircle. I am taking semicircle. It is the diameter as x-axis, revolving about x-axis. ఇది revolve అయినప్పుడు ఈ ఏరియా ఏమవుతుంది, this one, it will comes like this, it will forms a sphere. ఈ సెమీసర్కిల్ అనేది x-axis చుట్టూ రివాల్వ్ అయినప్పుడు, డయామీటర్ అనేది ఇక్కడ x-axis, ఈ x-axis చుట్టూ రివాల్వ్ అయినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది, మనకి టోటల్గా స్పియర్ వస్తుంది. ఆ స్పియర్ యొక్క వాల్యూమ్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకుంటున్నాను, ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ద రేడియస్ ఈజ్ ఆర్, సెంటర్ ఈజ్ 0, 0. So the equation of the circle with center 0, 0, radius r is x square plus y square equal to r square. Therefore y square equal to what, r square minus x square. Therefore y equal to square root of r square minus x square. And we have to find these limits. What are the x limits? Revolving about x axis, this limit we need to find, this limit also we need to find. So intersection points with what, x axis. So intersection point with x-axis means put y equal to 0, therefore x square plus y square means 0 square equal to r square, x square equal to r square, that is x equal to plus r minus r, that is minus r comma 0 plus r comma 0, means it is minus r comma, it is minus r comma 0 this point, and this point is plus r comma 0, means limits are minus r to plus r. Total revolving a to b. Okay. Therefore required volume is integration a to b pi y square dx, revolution about x-axis. Therefore integration a to b pi y square dx, that is pi is a coefficient outside, minus r to r, integration minus r to r, y square means r square minus x square dx, y square equal to r square minus x square dx. So integration, pi is the coefficient outside, r is the constant outside, 1 we get r square into 1, 1 integration x, r square x, and x square integration x cube by 3. So upper limit minus lower limit plus r, first pi is as it is, r square into r minus r cube by 3, next minus r square into r minus r cube by 3. Next simplify this one, we get r square into r cube minus r cube by 3, same, r square into minus r cube, minus plus, so plus r cube, it is minus r cube means minus r cube will come, minus this minus plus, again it is minus, therefore minus r cube by 3. So plus r cube, that is 2r cube, minus r cube by 3, minus r cube by 3, minus 2r cube by 3. So LCM is 3. So 3 into 2, 6r cube minus 2r cube by 3. 6 minus 2r cube, 6 minus 2 means 4, that is 4r cube by 3, pi is added as it is in every step. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube, cubic units. It is the volume of a sphere. How we find out volume of the sphere means it is the sphere is formed by revolution of the semicircle about its diameter. I am here taking center is 0, 0 and radius is r. Okay, it will be minus r. So this semicircle is revolving about x-axis. We get sphere. The sphere volume formula revolving about x-axis means integration a to b pi y square dx. So here y square equal to, it will come, and limits are, it is minus r2 plus r intersection points with x-axis, it will come, and substitute the in integration, and we get, and simplify, we get the answer as 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is a volume of the sphere. Next problem, it is also very important question. Find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the ellipse. Here ellipse is given x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, a greater than b. First one, it's about x-axis, it's a major axis, about y-axis or it's a minor axis. A greater than b, ఇందులో ఏ వాల్యూ అయితే ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందో, a greater than b, therefore a means in the x coefficient, therefore x-axis is the major axis. If suppose a is less than b, then y-axis, b is a maximum value, then y-axis is the major axis, x-axis is minor item. Here in this case it is given a is less than b, a is greater than b, therefore major axis is x-axis, minor axis is y-axis. Okay, క్వశ్చన్ లో డైరెక్ట్ అబౌట్ ఇట్స్ మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ అంటే ఏ వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందో అది మేజర్ యాక్సిస్, రిమైనింగ్ ఈజ్ మైనర్ యాక్సిస్. సో వీ విల్ టేక్ గివెన్ ద ఎలిప్స్ x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a greater than b means major axis is x axis, minor axis is y axis. So first problem, revolution about x axis means it's a major axis. So first we need, it is a ellipse, its intersection points with x axis, because formula is integration a to b pi y square dx. So we have to find the limits. So intersection points with the x-axis means y equal to 0. Put y equal to 0 in the equation 1. We get x square by a square. This y square, 0 square by b square becomes 0 equal to 1. X square equal to a square. Therefore x equal to plus or minus a. Means it is minus a comma 0. It is plus a comma 0. Y is 0. Therefore minus a comma 0 plus a comma 0. Next, in the formula, it is limits are over. Next, y equal to, we have to write y square equal to, from the equation 1, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So y square by b square equal to 1 minus x square by a square is the LCM, we get a square minus x square by a square. This b square comes to this side, we get b square by a square into a square minus x square. This is the y square value. So volume formula, limits are over, minus a to a, and the y square value is also we find out. So required volume formula, integration a to b pi y square dx. So substitute in this integration, minus a to a pi into y square means this value, b square by a square into a square minus x square dx. This pi into b square by a square is constant outside, remaining we have to integrate. Okay, pi into b square by a square is outside coefficient, minus a to a square x square dx. So constant as it is, a square is the coefficient, constant outside, into 1. So 1 integration x, a square x, and x square integration is x cube by 3. So a square x minus x cube by 3 minus a to a. Substitute the limits, we get pi into b square by a square into a cube by 3 minus a square into minus a cube, and minus a cube by 3 means minus a cube, already it is minus is there, minus plus a cube. So multiply with minus pi b square by a square, a cube minus a cube by 3, minus into minus, plus a cube, minus into plus, minus a cube by 3. A cube plus a cube, 2a cube, minus a cube by 3, minus a cube by 3, minus 2a cube by 3, means 2a cube minus 2a cube by 3. Okay. Pi into b square by a square, 2a cube minus 2a cube by 3. 3 is the LCM, pi into b square by a square, 6a cube minus 2a cube by 3. 6a cube minus 2a cube means 4a cube by 3. Pi b square by a square into 4a cube by 3. A square, this cube will be cancelled. ఓకే, ఓన్లీ 2లో ఒకటే వస్తుంది. సో 4/3 పై ఇంటూ ఒక ఏ మిగులుతుంది. సో ఏ ఇంటూ బి స్క్వేర్, 4/3 పై ఇంటూ ఏ ఇంటూ బి స్క్వేర్ క్యూబిక్ యూనిట్స్ ఇస్ వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ద సాలిడ్ వెన్ ద ఎలిప్స్ is revolving about its major axis, that is x-axis. Okay, here we find out first major axis means x-axis. So intersection points with the x-axis we have to find minus a comma plus a, and we write it in the form of y square equal y square in terms of x, and substitute in the formula and integrate and simplify, you get the answer. Next, revolution about y-axis. Same ellipse is revolving about y-axis. Revolving about y-axis. This diagram is wrong. Same ellipse. Okay. Same ellipse means we get like this. This only. We have to find intersection points with y-axis. Intersection point with y-axis. This point and this point we have to find. Okay. ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ రాదు, సేమ్ ఇలాగే వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ పాయింట్స్ విత్ y-axis రావాలి. అబౌట్ మీన్స్ రివాల్యూషన్ అబౌట్ y-axis హియర్. సో ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ పాయింట్ విత్ y-axis, ఈ లిమిట్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ దీస్ లిమిట్స్. So put x equal to 0 in the equation 1. So intersection points with y-axis means we have to substitute x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 in the equation, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. 0, x equal to 0 means this term 0, y square by b square equal to 1, that is y square equal to b square, therefore y equal to plus or minus b, means minus b, it is 0 comma x is 0, 0 comma b, and it is 0 comma minus b, it is 0 comma minus b to plus b limits. Okay. Intersection points, this diagram is wrong. We get this diagram only, you have to remember like this only. Here intersection points, it is x is 0, y is minus b, and this is 0 b. Okay. Revolution about y-axis. Okay. Then you have to write in x in terms of y. So x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Therefore x square by a square, if y square by b square comes to this side, minus 1 minus y square by b square. B square is LCM, b square minus y square by b square. This a square goes to this side, we get x square equal to a square by b square into b square minus y square. So we got it. What we did, first one is x, we got x y limits are minus b to plus b and x square in terms of y. So required value is v equal to integration c to d pi x square dy. So substitute pi the coefficient outside, integration minus b to b, x square means a square by b square into b square minus y square dy. Okay. Next slide, that is this a square by b square is the coefficient outside, pi into a square by b square minus b to b, b square minus y square into dy. So integration pi into a square by b square constant, same b square is the coefficient outside, into 1 integration with respect to y is y. So b square y, and y square integration is y cube by 3. So substitute the limits, upper limit minus lower limit, pi into a square by b square into b minus b cube by 3, and lower limit minus b square into minus b minus of minus b whole cube by 3. So pi a square by b square into b square into b cube minus b cube by 3, b square into minus b cube minus plus b cube minus b whole cube, means it is minus b cube will come, minus this minus plus, and again another minus, so minus b cube by 3. Okay. Next, here plus b cube means 2b cube minus b cube by 3 means minus 2b cube by 3. So LCM is 3. 3 pi a square by b square, LCM is 3, 6b cube minus 2b cube by 3. 6 minus 2b cube means 4b cube by 3. Pi a square by b square, 4b cube by 3. This b square and 1b will be remaining. b square cancel, 1b will be remaining, that is 4 by 3 pi a square b is the cubic units, is the volume of the solid generated by revolution of the ellipse along its y-axis or along its minor axis. Okay, minor axis ante idu vastundi, major axis ante others. Okay, here only diagram is, this diagram is wrong. Okay, you don't write this diagram, you have to take diagram as like this only, same diagram. In the first question it is given. Okay, it is x-axis, it is y-axis. This intersection points we need to find, minus b2 plus intersection points with y-axis. Okay. Next, these three problems are very important. Volume of a sphere, volume of the solid generated by ellipse about x-axis or y-axis. Next problem, find the volume of the solid generated by the ellipse x square by 4 square plus y square by 5 square equal to 1 about x-axis. Same. Here a square equal to 4 square, b square equal to 5 square. Same question you have to find out. It is, we get 400 pi by 3. First you have to about x-axis is given x-axis, therefore integration a to b pi y square dx. So first write down y square equal to in terms of x square, x term, and intersection point with x-axis means put y equal to 0, we get x equal to x square equal to 4 square, x equal to plus or minus 4, and substitute we get answer. Okay. Next problem, find the volume generated by the revolution of the ellipse 9x square. 9x square plus 25y square equal to 225. If you simplify, we get this are x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1 about x-axis. It is also same formula, integration a to b pi y square dx. Okay, that is answer will be 60 pi cubic units. Okay, first seventh one answer is 400 pi by 3 cubic units. It is 60 pi. Try these problems, homework problems. Okay, and complete your fair notes also. And if you have any doubts, please send me a message or call to me. Okay, and complete your note, fair notebook also. Okay, thank you.